Assalamu alaikum everyone. I welcome my students today in the new lecture video, and I'm your instructor Waqas. Right. I hope you would like this topic today. It is need of all students. They're looking for some complex structures in Ielts writing task 2 and speaking task. So before we begin, I request you to subscribe the channel and do not forget to like a video if you like that, and if possible share this video to your partners, to your friends who are looking for some complex structures, right? So without killing time, let's move on to our topic. Today our topic is first conditional. As I told you, this is a key structure in Ielts writing task 2 and speaking task. So let's move on and come to know what is first conditional. Right. Well, the first conditional, we use first conditional when we talk about future situations that we believe are real and possible. Well, focus this point. Let me highlight this point once again. Future situations which are real and possible. So we need first conditional for this situation that is real and possible, but it must be in future. So we need first conditional. This is the definition. You need to memorize. Just go through that and recall the first conditional is used when we talk about future situations. Those are real and possible, right? Do not talk about imagination, right? For example, let's talk about the next part. Well, conditional sentences are based on two parts because this is a complex sentence. So complex sentence is based on two parts in a single sentence. First part of sentence consists of condition, and the second part consists on result. So part 1 will be condition, part 2 will be your result. Mean a student or you guys will state the part 1 your condition, and then you will expose the result of that condition. Alright? Okay, once again I'm going to recall the definition. We use first conditional when we talk about future situations that we believe are real and possible, likely to exist, right? All right, this was a part. I told you that's not important, but just memorize that, conditions and results. Well, what's the formula now? As I told you, part 1 is of condition and part 2 is about result. So part 1 always start with if. If shows your condition, right? We need if plus subject plus present tense. After present tense, we need a comma. And then again subject, will plus first form of verb. So with this, the first part, you will expose your condition. And with this part, you will expose the result. Got my point? I hope the thing is clear, right? In the next step, I would clear the examples so you guys will come to know how to use first conditional. Once again, in part 1 of your sentence that is based on condition, it starts with if, then subject, present tense. After present tense, you will put comma, then you will add on subject, will, first form of verb, and then full stop. This is part 2. This will be your condition and this will be your result. Clear? Now let's move on next part. These are the examples. Alright, as I told you, part 1 is condition and part 2 is result. So if you work hard, this is your condition, and result, you will pass. And I told you the definition, possible real situations. So this situation is possible and real. If you work hard, you will pass. Number 2, if Ali follows his father's footsteps, condition, And now what is the result? He will not fail in life. This is a result, right? And this situation is also real. It is possible in future, right? 3. If government helps the poor, this is a condition. Condition starts with if, comma, they will be ecstatic. They mean people, poor people. So this is a result. Got it? Next, if she burns the midnight oil, it means she works hard, comma, she will definitely get through her test. Result. Right. If Javaria throws a party, I will be grateful to her. That's a condition. And this is result. This is condition. This is result. And these all are possible situations, real situations. These situations can take place. These are not your imaginations, right? Last one. If students do not subscribe my channel, this is my condition, then what will happen? I will not post Ielts videos. Oh, fantastic. Result. This is condition. So, I hope now you guys come to know how to use first conditional. This conditional structure we all use every day in our lives, but you guys use them in Urdu, in your mother tongue. You do not know how to use them in English, but inshallah, after this video, you guys will come to know how to use first conditional. I want you to go to the first structure, definition, start fabricating some sentences on the notebook, right? Make one part of condition, then state result. Condition, result. The way I post examples, you can pause my video here, take a screenshot, and you can use them in sentences, right? If you won't practice, you will be unable to use them in IELTS writing task 2, moreover in speaking task, as we need them. This structure is indispensable, as I told you in the beginning, so it cannot be neglected, right? I hope this video will be quite beneficial for you, and I want you to make some sentences. If possible, you can make some sentences in the comment box as well, right? See you in the next video, inshallah. Hope so you will enjoy and share this. Do not forget to like. Allah Hafiz. Take care.